Hey guys, today I'm gonna be changing the grill, or kidney grills as they're called, and putting in gloss black ones. So first I'm gonna do is open up the hood. And the upper ones are, if I can focus here, 3 bolts that hold the upper part of the grill to the hood. It's T25 that loosens that up. Then on the bottom we have to loose these 4 bolts as well, and then we can get back to the side and pull these out with the clips. So I'm gonna start with the hood one. So I'll take T25 for that. And the right way, lefty loosey. Now that they are off, it comes straight out. It's like this. So now it's time to get the other one. The one that says left, which is this one. Gonna put it in here like this. And then we're gonna put the bolts back in. Then we're gonna tighten them just enough. You don't wanna over tighten them, just so it's not loose, otherwise you could break the plastic. I'm gonna do the other one and then get to the lower side. Now that both the top pieces are in, I can go and loosen these bolts, which are T30. So the other ones were T25 and these are T30. haven't been able to have time to, or a place to clean the engine bay, but I really need to. Alright, now it's a little loose, so I'm gonna try to go behind and loosen up these clips all around. So let's see how that goes. There we go, one out. So you just push these pins in all around and pop it out. Now the other one. And it's out. So now we get the new ones. And we should be able to just pop them right in, like this. And like this. So now I pop the screws back into the bumper. Now that the bolts are back in, we can close the hood. And that's the result. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.